Ever pondered over the secret to a naturally detoxified body? Ever wondered how to cleanse and rejuvenate your liver and blood vessels using nature's very own resources? The answer lies in a simple yet potent recipe that utilizes ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. Picture this: beetroot, parsley, carrots, water, ginger, and Physalis, all combined into a powerful detox drink. Each of these ingredients serves a distinct purpose in your body's detoxification process. The beetroot, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is not just a liver cleanser. It also supports regeneration and combats depression. Imagine a root vegetable with the power to boost your mood. Next, we have parsley, a leafy green that not only strengthens your gums but also improves your appetite and digestion. In addition, it helps remove excess salts from your body. Now that's a herb that packs quite a punch. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene and loaded with vitamin C, E, K, and several B vitamins, offer a myriad of health benefits. It's like a vitamin warehouse that's open for business 24/7. Ginger, the spicy and aromatic root, facilitates digestion and stimulates the production of gastric juices. It's like a little fire starter for your digestive system. Finally, we have Physalis, a small but mighty fruit with antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic properties. It's like a natural medicine cabinet, packed into a tiny, tasty package. Now remember to tread carefully if you have sensitivities to any of these ingredients. You always want to listen to your body and respond accordingly. So there you have it, a simple yet effective recipe to naturally detoxify your liver and blood vessels. The benefits of natural detoxification are immense, from improved digestion to enhanced mood, and this recipe is a great way to kickstart your journey towards a healthier body and mind. So why wait? Start blending these ingredients into a powerhouse detox drink today. And remember, knowledge is power, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health-boosting recipes and tips.